So folks, we got the Furrion Chill Cube installed up in the front. They actually were not kidding, and it was pre-wired for 120, and took us about 2 hours to get it installed. I'm running it on high right now, and let me tell you, the front cap is not cold anymore, or not hot anymore.
This feels good.
Yeah, it's definitely a much cooler experience. And I turned it off a turbo. I've got it on high right now just to push the air through. But yeah, we were worried about the ducting, and it seems like that's not going to be a real issue. I think it's going to be just fine. So stay tuned.